I was given this absolutely adorable kids toy so I could give you guys a fair and honest review. I absolutely loved the versatility of this piece. The arch is so soft and made of amazing materials, and it has these 3 cute little hanging objects, and they each do a little sound or have a squeak or a rattle involved. All the materials are really soft, and I absolutely loved being able to install this for my little one, and the unpacking was so simple and easy. It was really simple to be able to affix to a crib or a stroller or a bassinet, which is what we chose. I'm currently super pregnant over here, and I absolutely loved this new toy that we got for our little that is almost here. You can see that we have this really cool rocking bassinet right here, and this was super simple to be able to install. They each have little features on there that the little ones can reach for, different kinds of really fun sounds and squeaks. Everything is so soft. So this is what we used for the sleeping bassinet, and it also comes with this really cute little slinky toy that you can use for their car seats or wrap it onto the stroller. So I'm so excited to be able to try this one out. The materials, everything is incredibly soft, installs in seconds, and is just so cute and colorful. And I love the black and white with the orange design on there. These are fantastic. For attaching it, you simply add on each of these little heads, and they have little claws that are super simple to just be able to roll, and they either tighten or close based on the direction that you do them in, and it is nice and secure when you are done. It also comes with this wraparound. You could put this on their crib. We put it on their car seat, and this is so cute. I would absolutely recommend checking this out. This also makes a really great gift.